Which of the following best illustrates the acceleration of a pendulum bob at points A through E? Alright, so it's asking for acceleration. Now, these diagrams look very similar to force diagrams. So first, let's just relate acceleration to force, and the way that we do that is through Newton's second law. And that is the sum of all forces is equal to mass times acceleration. Now we can go ahead and draw a force diagram for the first pendulum bob at point A. Now here it is at point A, and we have a force of tension coming up the string, and we have a force of gravity coming down the string. Now the force of gravity is going to be equal to mass times acceleration, and the force of tension is going to be equal to mass times acceleration times the cosine of theta. Now, what is theta in this case here? Well, theta will be the angle between the force of tension. Here's gravity. If we continue this line up the vertical, that will be theta. Okay, so now knowing that, we can see that the force of tension is going to be less than the force of gravity. And in order to find the sum of all forces, we can simply add these two vectors together. So if we put the force of gravity coming down and the force of tension coming up, we can see that the resulting force is going to be something like this. Now this is of course for the bob at point A. So let's go over to our multiple choice choices and see which one has a bob pointing in this direction for point A, and we can see that that is C, and C is in fact our answer. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you learned something. Leave any comments or any questions you may have in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them. And good luck with your studies.